Welcome to the tutorial of the BBMRI-ERIC federated platform tool called Locator. The Locator allows a federated search of biosamples based on the sample metadata and donors' clinical data. To get the most out of Locator, use the search bar at the top of the page. It is enough to write 3 letters, and you'll get a list of all available diagnoses, sample types, storage temperatures, or gender. Let's add a diagnosis to the serum. For example, malignant neoplasm of the prostate. Numeric search, such as date or age of the donor, is possible via full parameter search. You can put an age range to the search. When your search parameters are set, click the search button. After some time, you can observe the initial results, but several biobanks still take an additional time to load. Graphs under the chart with results show the gender distribution, age of the donors, sample types available, and all diagnoses present to the available donors and their samples. You can modify the query and repeat the search. Once you're satisfied with your results, select the biobanks of your interest and start negotiating with them via the Negotiator tool.